A long time ago in Michigan, Detroit.
Oh, hell no, man.
It was Kushmas Eves in the Mathis family. There was a little nigger named Isaac, weed, lesbianism, the third, yes.
That's not my name.
Shut the fuck up, you retard. So our nigga Isaac, who had absolutely no homies, no bitches, because he's a fucking loser, yes, who stayed at a house playing, I don't know, 1800s Ghetto League of Legends, something like that, I don't know.
Man, fuck you.
So later that night on Christmas Eve, Isaac asked 1800 Santa Claus or something if he could gift him a hoe on Christmas somehow. And magically, his wish came true. So when he woke up the next day, he found in his room Ghetto ass weed music box. So that nigga spin that motherfucking weed handle from the fucking music box and played Crank That by Soulja Boy shit, I don't know.
That song didn't exist in the 1800s.
Well, that was because it was 1800s Crank That Soulja Boy by 1800s Soulja Boy.
No, this song is for the Middle Ages.
No, fucking right, you fucking annoying bitch. You know what? What happened next is that a hoe appeared out of the music box. But it wasn't a hoe. It was a tranny. So when the tranny came out, it started brutally, anally raping Isaac to death. And that's how the story ends. Finn, I'm out now. Fuck that shit. Have a jump scare or something.